So in the previous lesson we have completed about A family words. So did you remember that one? A vowel family words. Right? In that I have given you a homework. So what homework I have given? I have given to see the picture and match the picture with the alphabets. Today I am going to reveal the answers about that one, and I am going to tell you about the next topic, that is E vowel sound word. So yesterday's homework is in the first picture. Can you tell me the homework I have given? That one is in homework page number 9, right? Page number 9 I have given the homework to you. So in this page number 9, so can you tell me this? In page number 9, so what is the first picture here? It is the first picture about a madman. So here what is the mad picture? So first box picture is B, mad picture. So second one beside that one, it is a bag picture. Can you tell me where is the bag there? F. So second bag picture is F. And what is the third here? Here this picture is about, what is that? What is the, who is standing there? One man is standing there. What is a man spelling is there here? Yes, G. So here G. And that side it is a picture of some red color bottle is there. What is that? Jam. So what is the jam letter there? D. And what is the next picture? Next picture is about van. So it is picture number, van picture is having number C. What is the next one? Bad. It is picture number, picture bad is having a letter E. What is the last? She is clapping, that girl is clapping. She clapped the hands. So clap is the picture of A. This is the homework I have given for you. You check the answers whether you have done it correctly or not. So remember that you have to write only with the pencil. Don't use other one. So just you look at there, what the answers I have given there. You have to check the answers what you have written. Okay. These are A family words we have completed. Today I am going to tell you about E family words. Okay, E family words. In E family words, vowels are, why I am remembering you again and again about vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Why I am remembering you the vowel sounds are, we have completed this A family words. Today we are going to complete E family words. Did you all understood? A family words we have completed. Today we are going to learn about E family words. What is that? E family words. Okay. So in E family words, we are having the words ED, EG, EM, EN and ET. These words will come across like the A letter words, how we have got the words of A sound word. Today we are going to learn about E family words. Only E family words we are going to learn. So I am going to write a poem like that only, how we are having A sound letter poem. Like that we are having with E sound letter also a poem. So shall we write? So write there, see there, M-Y my, P-E-T pet, T-E-D tet, my pet tet, M-E-T met, A-R-E-D red, H-E-N hen, full stop. with ONE1 LEG leg. Come. NEAR near. HIS his. DEN den. Full stop. MEN men. While I am writing on the board, please see whether, take out your textbook. You have to see what I am writing, whether I am writing correctly or not. You have to check it. Right? Why? Because you will be also knowing what I am writing. While I am reading and writing, you also will get what I am writing. P go to GET get, PHE the GEM gem. Okay. So in E letter words, at, M, N, at, E letter words, it. My pet, Ted. Its pet name is Ted. Met a red hen. Met means he has met a red hen. He has found a red hen. He has met a red hen. He has seen a red hen with one leg. It is having only one leg. So very bad. So that red hen is having only one leg. Near his den. Near his house, den. Men set a net. Man is setting a net to get the gem. MY my, PET pet, TED Ted. My pet Ted. MET met, RED red, HEN hen. Met a red hen. WITH with ONE1 LEG leg. With one leg. NEAR near. HIS his. DEN den. Near his den. MEN men. SET set. NET net. Men set a net. TO2 GET get, THE the GEM gem. Okay. My pet Ted met a red hen with one leg near his den. Men set a net to get the gem. Okay. Once again. My pet Ted met a red hen with one leg near his den. Men set a net to get the gem. Once again. MY my, PET pet, TED Ted. My pet Ted. MET met, RED red, HEN hen. Met a red hen. WITH with ONE1 LEG leg. With one leg. NEAR near, HIS his, DEN den. Near his den. MEN man, SET set, NET net. Men set a net. TO2 GET get, THE the GEM gem. This is the poem. In this we have to know the words that have a E vowel, E family sound. E vowel family sound. So TED Ted. So here we got ED. And red, RED red. Also we got ED egg. And we got hen, HEN hen. We got EN birds. And leg, LEG leg. We got EG sound. And what we got then, DEN den. We got EN sound. Again what we got, set, SET set. We got ET et. And net, what we got sound, net, ET et. And we get We got again et, get, and chem. We got em, and we got em words. Did you all understood? So these are the words that start the letters with the sound td. Pet also is there. So ed, et. Here et is there. Pet. Okay. So once again, you can see page number 10. E vowel family words. My pet Ted met a red hen with one leg near his den. Men set a net to get the gem. So here are some words, pictures. Identify the pictures and write their names in the given blanks. So down blanks are given. You have to write. I will give you as no. I will write the answer for this, and you have to do the homework, page number 11. Just you have to see the picture. Okay. See the picture and write down. Got it, everybody? You have to circle the word with the vowel sound E in the word search. In this word search, E letter words you have to search it and you have to circle it. Got it, everybody? That is the homework for you. So I am going to write the words for this lesson. So see here, practice zone. This one you have to do it as homework. Identify the pictures and write their names in the given blanks. You have to identify the pictures and you have to write the names. So homework is textbook page number 10 and 11. Yes, 10 and 11. Practice zone. Practice zone 2. You have to do it as homework. You have to see the picture. Just to see the picture. The sound, E letter word sound should be, it will start from E letter sound. You have to write neat handwriting. While you are writing, you should write the names of this every picture here. You can write easily. And I am going to tell you this, page number 11. This circle the words with the vowel sound E in the word search. So this is the vowel sound search. I am going to show me this one, and I will show you this one how I have to write. I will show this one. So see there, page number 11. Page number 11 down. You can see this is the homework you have to done. Page number 11, practice zone 2. You have to do it, and circle this one. Roman number 2. I will be showing to you how to write. So they are given the boxes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes they are given. Here they are given the 6 boxes. Isn't it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, one more. And here they are given only 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it, everybody? Can you see it? So you can see in page number 11, second Roman. That is, circle the word with the sound, vowel sound E in the word search. Okay. They are given O, J, K, E, G, A. E, me, E, N, H, R, X, I, T, U, V, E, G, S, B, E, D, and D, T. So here are the pictures. What they are doing here, can you see here? This is the picture of two men, bed, aeroplane or aeroplane, here drum, here bottle with it fell down with the color, and here help. Got it? O J K E G E M E N H R X I T U B E G S B E D D T. Can you tell me what are the words? Can you circulate E sound letter words? So first picture is men. Can you see here any men sound here? Yes, M E N. You can circle like this. M E N, men. Got it, everybody? Did you all understood that one? Next one is, what is that? Bed. Bed anywhere is there? Bed. B E G, bed. B E D, bed. So here middle E sound is coming. B E D, bed. Next one is tube. T U B E. Okay, sorry. So one man is asking for a help. Beg. B E G, beg. B E G, beg. And what is the next sound? It is there for us. Can you tell me? J E T, jet. J E T, jet. You can see here jet. Okay. What is the next one? You can see jet. Here we have completed MEN, man. We have completed JET, jet. We have completed BET, bag here, and we have completed BED, bed. And what is the next word? What is the word that we have to complete it? We have to complete it. Here they are given the tub. T-U-B, tub. And what is the next word? And what is the next one? It's a color of, what is the color of this jar? The fell down. It is red. R-E-D, red. Got it, everybody? So with this we have learned about the circle of the words which are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words I have completed here. To circle it, you have to circle this one, and what you have to do is, you have to do the homework, page number 10 and 11, practice zone 2. Just you can see the name of this picture. You have to see the picture of this name. You can write down here. He has given the 4 lines. I already told you about small letters and capital letters. Strokes also I have told you. So how you have to write? You have to write neat handwriting, Sharpie pencil, and write neat handwriting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the homework for you. Practice zone. So first picture you know it, second picture also you know it. Everything. It is not a very big words. It's a small 3 letters and 2 letter words only it is there. So no need to worry. You have to do the homework. That is page number 10 and 11 practice zone 2. 10 11 means it's not 10 11 means oh our teacher is given 2 pages, not. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So here 3 are there, here 3 are there. Only you do this 6 letter words. Okay. See the picture. So see there, identify the picture and write their names in the given blanks. So in the given blanks you have to write the names of these words, of these pictures, and you have to do the homework. That is the homework in the content book I have given you. Page number 11, circle the E letter words I have told you here. Okay. So E letter words I have told you that here, and homework is given in page number 10 and 11. Got it everybody? So once again we'll learn this poem once again. My pet dead. So see the sound of the letter E. So you have to identify the letter E. My pet dead met a red hen with one leg near his den. Men set a net to get the gem. So here ed is there. Here also we got ed ted. Here eg is came. So leg eg is came. Em is came. Em gem gem we got. And en we got, that is en hen. N and et we got, that is et we got et. Okay. My pet Ted met a red hen with one leg near his den. Men set a net to get the gem. So you have to read it properly. Everybody should know it, the spelling properly, and you have to read it properly. Understood everybody? You have to read it. Whenever you will get it reading, if you are not getting how to read, you can read like this. M-Y mine. P-E-T pet. T-E-D tet. My pet tet. M-E-T met. A-R-E-D red. H-E-N hen. Met a red hen. W-I-T-H with. O-N-E one. L-E-G leg. With one leg. N-E-A-R near. H-I-S his. D-E-N den. Near his den. M-E-N men. S-E-T set. A-N-E-T net. Men set a net. T-go to. G-E-T get. T-H-E the. G-E-M gem. The gem. Okay. Once again. My pet Ted red hen with one leg near his den. Men set a net to get the gem. Got it? Page number. Homework is textbook page number 10 and 11 is practice zone. You have to do it as homework. That is the homework. In the next lesson I am going to tell you, we have completed A and E I have completed. In the next lesson we are going to learn about I letter words. I vowel family words. Okay? I vowel family words we are going to learn it. We have completed A letter words in the first topic. In the second topic we have learnt about E letter words. you must be perfect about E letter words and A letter words. So I am going to ask you E letter words and A letter words in the next session. You have to be ready what the words will come in the middle. You have to see the pronounce the sound and you have to tell. So this is the homework. Homework is homework page number, textbook page number 10 and 11, practice zone 2, and I have completed the circle the words that I have circled it, and here I have told where the sounds are started in E letter, E vowel family words. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you one and all.